வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனலை ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறதா இருந்தால் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கூடவே இருக்க பெல் பட்டனையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அதில் ஆல்ன்ற பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா மட்டும்தான் நான் போடுற எல்லா வீடியோஸும் உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக ரீச் ஆகும். இப்போ வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் பேக் டு மை சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேருந்து 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்கும் உள்ள ஜியோகிரஃபி இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். நம்ம சேனலில் ஆல்ரெடி நான் வந்து 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்கும் உள்ள தமிழ், இங்கிலீஷ், மேக்ஸ், சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் வந்து வீடியோஸ் போட்டிருக்கேன். அதே மாதிரி 6th to 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்கும் உள்ள தமிழ், இங்கிலீஷ், சோஷியலில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஹிஸ்ட்ரி போட்டிருக்கேன், சயின்ஸ் வீடியோஸ் போட்டிருக்கேன். அதே மாதிரி ஸ்டடி பிளான் வீடியோஸ் போட்டிருக்கேன், புக் ரிவ்யூ வீடியோஸும் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ யாரெல்லாம் இந்த வீடியோஸ்லாம் பார்க்காம இருக்கீங்களோ TNTET பிளேலிஸ்ட் லிங்க்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த வீடியோவோட டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் ஒரே ஒரு லிங்க் இருக்கும். அந்த ஒரு லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணிங்கனாலே எல்லா வீடியோஸும் நான் இது வரைக்கும் போட்டிருக்க எல்லா வீடியோஸுமே வந்து அங்கே டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். ஏதாவது வீடியோ நீங்கள் மிஸ் ஆகிருந்ததுன்னா அங்கே போய் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வந்து ஜியோகிரஃபியில் 6th to 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்கும் உள்ள கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். நான் தமிழ் மீடியம் வீடியோஸும் போட்டுட்ருக்கேன். தமிழ் மீடியம் வீடியோஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆல்ரெடி தமிழ், இங்கிலீஷ் வந்து நம்ம சேனலில் இருக்கும். 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்கும் இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி 6th to 10th வரைக்கும் இருக்கும். அதுவும் இல்லாமல் நேத்திக்கு வந்து ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டிருந்தேன். அது வந்து 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் to 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்கும் உள்ள சயின்ஸ், அதாவது அறிவியல் ஓட இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து தமிழ் மீடியத்தில் நான் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ யாராவது தமிழ் மீடியம் இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்துட்ருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் அந்த வீடியோ போய் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஓகே, choose the correct answer. The universe was formed after dash explosion. Answer C, Big Bang explosion. ஓகேங்களா? Dash is the unit to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Answer is A, light year. Third one, dash planet has many natural satellites. Answer is D, Jupiter. Fourth one, India's first ever mission to the moon is. Answer is C, Chandrayaan. Okay. Fifth one, Earth is inclined by dash degrees. Answer is B, 23.5 degrees. Sixth one, the equator faces the sun directly on. எந்த நாளைக்கு வந்து ஈக்குவேட்டர் வந்து டைரெக்டாக சன்னை வந்து ஃபேஸ் பண்ணணும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர்ஸ் பி, 21st March and 23rd September. ஓகே. Seventh one, the line which divides day and night on the Earth's surface is terminator line. Okay. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. Answer C. Okay. Ninth one, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on. Answer D, December 22. Okay. 10th one, the galaxy in which our solar system is found is Milky Way. Answer C. 11th one, the only celestial body where man has successfully landed. இதில் வந்து மேன் வந்து லேண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது வரைக்கும் மூணில் மட்டும்தான். ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் பி. 12, which of the following planets can float on water? Answer B, Saturn. Okay. 13th one, which of the following is the smallest ocean on Earth? 13th one, answer is D, the Arctic Ocean. 14, the Malacca Strait connects. 14, answer is C, the Pacific and Indian Ocean. Okay, which of the following oceans is the busiest ocean? 15, answer is B, the Atlantic Ocean. The frozen continent is, answer is C, Antarctica. A narrow strip of water that connects two large water bodies வந்து என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா answer is A, strait. Okay. 18, the world's largest continent is, ரொம்ப simple, answer is D, Asia. ஓகேவா? 19, dash is the mineral rich plateau in India. நிறைய மினரல்ஸ் இருக்க பிளாட்யூ வந்து இந்தியாவில் வந்து டி, சோட்டா நாக்பூர் பிளாட்யூ. ஓகே. த லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஓஷன் இஸ், லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஓஷன் வந்து எந்த ஓஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் 20க்கு வந்து ஏ, பசிபிக் ஓஷன். 21, டெல்டாஸ் ஆர் டேஷ் ஆர்டர் லேண்ட்ஃபார்ம்ஸ். டெல்டாஸ் ஆர் 3rd order landforms. Dash resources are the most valuable resources. 22, answer is D, human resources. 23, which is not the western margin of Asia? 24, answer is B, Mediterranean Sea. 23, Which is not the western margin of Asia? Answer is D. Arabian Sea. 24. The intermontane dash plateau is found between Elbrus and Zagros. Answer is B. Iran. 25. India is the leading producer of mica. Answer is B. Okay. 26. The natural boundary between Spain and France is 26. Answer is B. The Pyrenees. 27. The western and northern Europe enjoys mild and humid climate. Choose the correct option. It is influenced by the North Atlantic drift. Answer is B. Okay. 28. Which of the following statement is incorrect? இதில் வந்து எது incorrect statementன்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. Answer is D. The rivers of Europe are perennial in nature. Answer is D. Okay. Choose the incorrect pair. Answer is C. The Pennines Italy. அதுதான் வந்து incorrect pair. Answer is C. Which country in Europe has a very density of population? நிறைய population இருக்க country யூரோப்பில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 30 வந்து ஆன்சர் வந்து A. ஐஸ்லாண்ட். 31. The Taurus and Pontine ranges radiates from the dash knot. 31. Answer is B. Armenian knot. The wettest place in the world is 32. Answer is D. Mars syndrome. Okay. 33. Iran is the largest producer of dash in the world. Dates. Answer is A. Okay. The national dance of Philippines is, answer is A. Tinigling. 35. The second highest peak in Europe is the Mount Blanc. 36. The type of climate that prevails in the central and eastern parts of Europe. 36. Answer is C. Continental climate. The important fishing ground in North Sea is 37. B. Dogger Bank. The density of population in Europe is 34 persons per kilometer squared. 39. The river dash passes through 9 continents, 9 countries of Europe. Answer is C. Danube. Okay. 40. The line of latitude which is known as the Great Circle is, answer C. Equator. 41. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally on the earth from the west to east are called, 41. Answer is B. Lines of latitude or parallels. 42. The 90-degree lines of latitude on the earth are called North Pole and South Pole. Answer is A. The prime meridian is also called as Greenwich meridian. Answer is D. The world is divided into dash time zones, 24 time zones. Answer is A. The shape of the earth is geoid. Answer is C. The North Pole is 90-degree north latitude. 47. The area formed between 0 degree and 180 degree east lines of longitude is called, 47. Answer is D. Eastern hemisphere. 23.5 degree north line of latitude is called, answer is B. Tropic of Cancer. Okay. 180 degree line of longitude is international date line. The sun is found overhead the Greenwich meridian at 12 noon. Answer is B. Okay. A day has 1440 minutes. Answer is C. Okay. Which of the following lines of longitudes is considered for the Indian Standard Time? 82.5 degree east. The total number of lines of latitude are 53. Answer is C. 181. The total number of lines of longitude are 154. Answer is C. 360. Knife is made up of nickel and ferrous. 56. The earthquake and volcanic eruption occur near the edges of mountain. Answer is A. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by Richter scale. Answer is B. Okay. 58. The narrow pipe through which magma flow out is called a vent. Answer is A. Lava cones are Relicite mountains. Answer is C. Relicite mountains. Okay. The top of the cone of volcanic mountain has depression known as the crater. Answer is A. Dash belt is known as the ring of fire. Answer is A. Pacific Circum. Okay. 62. The core is separated from the mantle by a boundary called. Answer is B. Weichardt-Gutenberg discontinuity. Okay. 63. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as. 63. Answer is C. Seismograph. 64. Magma rises to the surface and spreads over a vast area is known as. 64. Answer is A. Fissure eruption. 65. An example of active volcano. Answer is D. Mauna Loa in Hawaii. 66. Dash is a deposition of river sediments along the foothills. 66. Answer is B. Alluvial fan. 67. Kuchalam Falls is located across the river Chittor River. Answer is C. The landform created by a glacial deposition is. 68. Answer is C. Moraine. 69. Large deposits of loess are found in China. Answer is C. 70. Dash are associated with wave erosion. Dash are not associated with wave erosion. Answer is A. Cliff. 71. The process of breaking and crumbling of rocks is. 71. Answer is D. Weathering. Inselbergs are found in the Dash deserts in South Africa. Answer is A. Kalahari. The circuit is known as Dash in Germany. Answer is D. Karl. 74. The first longest beach in the world is Miami Beach. Answer is B. Caucasoid race is also known as European race. Answer is A. Dash race is also known as Asian American race. Answer is C. Mongoloid. The official language of India is English. Okay. Not regional language. Regional language is Hindi varum. So official language is English. 78. Rural settlements are located near. 78A. Water bodies. The Bushman is found mainly in the Dash desert in South Africa. Answer C. Kalahari. 80. Which of the following is known as the sphere of rocks? C. Lithosphere. Okay. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December. Answer is D. Fossils are found in metamorphic rocks. Answer is C. Fossils are found in. Answer is A. Sedimentary rocks. 83. The first layer of soil is also called as topsoil. Answer is B. Ideal soil for growing cotton is black soil. Answer is B. The major component of soil is minerals. Answer is D. Which of the following is the most widespread, most and productive category of soil? Answer is A. Alluvial soil. 87. Scientific study of rocks is called petrology. Answer is C. Dash soil is highly suitable for cotton cultivation. Answer is A. Black soil. The skin of the earth is soil. Answer is D. Dash is the kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. White marble. Answer is B. Dash is known as primary rock. Igneous rock. Answer is D. Okay. Earth's atmosphere contains about 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. So answer is A. Dash is generally defined as the average conditions of the weather of a place or a region. 93. Answer is C. Climate. The earth receives energy from heat. Answer is D. Which one of the following represents places equal amount of rainfall? Answer is D. ISO heights. Okay. Dash is used to remove the humidity. Hygrometer. Answer is C. Okay. The scientific study of weather is called. Answer is C. Meteorology. The highest temperature ever recorded on the earth is 56.7 degree Celsius, that is 134 degree Fahrenheit. Answer is D. 99. Dash is the ratio between the actual amount of water vapor and the maximum amount of water vapor the hair can hold. 99. Answer is B. Relative humidity. 100. Dash and dash are measured by anemometer and wind vane respectively. Answer C, wind direction and wind speed. 101. Dash are imaginary lines which connects the same temperatures of different places. 101. A. Isotherm. 102. The process in which water moves between the oceans, atmosphere and land is called. 102. Answer is B. Hydrologic cycle. 103. The percentage of fresh water on the earth is. Answer is C. 2.8. Okay. 104. The process of changing of water from gaseous to liquid form is known as. Answer is A. Condensation. 105. Water that flows in the subsoil or through the ground in the streams, rivers, lakes and oceans is termed as. 105. Answer is D. Runoff. The evaporation of water from the leaves of the plants is called. Answer A. Transpiration. Water that is good enough to drink is called potable water. Answer is C. Okay. 108. The degree of water vapor present in the atmosphere is known as. Answer C. Humidity. 109. There are dash phases in the water cycle. 3 phases in the water cycle. The precipitation with the raindrop size of less than 0.5 millimeter in diameter is known as drizzle. Okay. 111. Mist is denser than fog. Answer B. 112. The dash is the rigid outer layer of the earth. 112. Answer is C. Crust. 113. Dash layer is made up of liquid iron. Answer is B. Outer core. Okay. 114. Magma is found in. Answer is B. Mantle. Diastrophism is connected to. Answer is D. Fold or fault. 116. The movement of tectonic plates is induced by dash energy. Answer is B. Thermal. In the ancient period, Gondwana land moved towards dash direction. 117. Answer is A. North direction. Many million years ago, India was a part of the supercontinent. Answer A. Gondwana. 119. The movement of plates that creates stress and tension in the rocks, causing them to stretch and cracks result in. Answer B. Fault. Okay. 120. Dash refers to the bowl-shaped depression found at the top of the volcano. Answer is A. Crater. 121. The point of origin of an earthquake is called. Focus. Answer is B. The disintegration or decomposition of rocks is generally called as. 122. Answer is A. Weathering. 123. The process of leveling up of land by means of natural agents is called. Answer is C. Gradation. 124. Dash is seen in the lower course of the river. 124. Answer is C. Delta. 125. Karst topography is formed due to the action of D. Groundwater. Which one of the following is not a depositional feature of glacier? Answer is A. Cirque. 127. Deposits of fine slit blown by wind is called as. Answer is A. Loess. 128. Stacks are formed by wave erosion. 129. Dash erosion is responsible for the formation of cirque. Answer is B. Glacial erosion. 130. Which one of the following is the second order landform? Answer is B. Deccan Plateau. Okay. 131. Dash is the most important gas for the survival of living organism. Which one? It is C. Oxygen. 132. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is. 132. A. Troposphere. Dash reflects radio waves. 133. Answer is C. Mesosphere. The average global surface temperature is. 134. Answer is B. 13 degrees Celsius. Temperature dash from the equator to pole. 135. Answer is C. Decreases from the equator to pole. 136. The process of change of state of water from gaseous to liquid is called. Answer is D. Condensation. 137. The dash is the chief energy source of the earth. Answer is A. Sun. The dash pressure belt extends from 5 degree north and 5 degree south latitudes. 138. Answer is A. Equatorial low. All type of clouds are found in the. 139. Answer is A. Troposphere. Dash clouds are called sheep clouds. Answer is A. Altocumulus. The monsoons are periodic winds. Answers B. Dew in the form of ice crystals is called 142. Answers A. Frost. Okay. Dash is called the eye of the storm. Answers A. Pressure. 144. The vertical movement of air is called C. Air current. 145. The Sunda Trench lies in the Dash Ocean. 145. C. Indian Ocean. 146. The temperature of the ocean waters generally dash at greater depth. Answers B. Decreases at a greater depth. 147. Ocean currents are produced due to 147. Answers D. All of the above. Due to rotation of the earth, due to variation in temperature, due to earth's movement. 148. The oceanic ridge comes into existence due to B. Divergence of tectonic plates. 149. Which of the following indicates the correct sequence of topography beneath the surface of the sea? 149. Answers A. Continental shelf, continental, slope, sea, plain, sea, trench. Okay. And then which of the following is not correctly matched? Among the four, first one and third one are not correctly matched. So answer will be A. That is, Gulf Stream is matched to Pacific Ocean. Gulf Stream is matched to Pacific Ocean, and then Canary Current is matched to Mediterranean Sea. So these both are wrongly matched. So answer will be both 1 and 3. Okay. 151. An area which animals, plants and microorganisms live and interact with one another is called, answers B, ecosystem. Okay. Dash are called heterotrophs. Answer C, consumers. 153. Dash is a system of interlocking and independent food chains. Answers B, food web. 154. Dash is an extensive large ecosystem. Answers D, aquatic biome. 155. The vegetative type commonly found in desert biomes is called, answers A, xerophytes. 156. Dash is an aquatic biome that is found where freshwater and saltwater mix. 156. Answers B, estuaries. Okay. 157. The coldest biome on the earth is 157. Answers A, tundra. 158. This is the smallest unit of biosphere. Answers A, ecosystems. 159. Nutrients are recycled in the atmosphere with the help of the certain microorganisms referred to as. 159. Answers D, none of the above. 160. To which climatic conditions are xerophytic plants specifically adapted to? 160. Answers A, saline and sandy. 161. Why is the usage of rainforest biomes for large-scale agriculture unsustainable? Answers D, because the soil is poor. All external influences and factors that affects the growth and development of living organisms is, answers A, environment. The World Population Day is observed on dash of every year. 163. Answer C, July 11th. Okay. 164. The statistical study of human population is, answers A, demography. 165. That extraction of valuable minerals and other geological minerals from the mines is, 165. Answer C, mining. 166. The secondary factor of the economic produces dash from raw materials. Answers B, finished goods. 167. Gradual increase of the Earth's temperature by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is called, answer C, global warming. 168. The new phase in topographical surveying in the 20th century is, answers D, satellite imagery. 169. Dash indicates the purpose or theme of the map. Answers A, title. 170. Standard symbols that are used in maps to convey a definite meaning are called, answers A, conventional signs and symbols. 171. Which one of the following maps show as a very large area with less details? Answers D, small scale. GPS consists of a constellation of satellites, 24 satellites. Okay. One among the following is not the first responder in case of the disaster. Answer is C. Insurance agent. 174. Drop, cover, hold is a mock drill, a vowel for which one? Answer is B. Earthquake. 175. When you happen to see a fire break out, you will make a call to which number? Answer is B. 112. Which of the following statement is untrue? 176. C. If seawater recedes back, run to higher places is for flood. 177. The north-south extent of India is 177. Answer is C. 3,214 km. 178. The southernmost point of India is. Answer is C. Indira Port. Okay. The extent of Himalayas in the east-west is about. Answer is A. 2,500 km. Dash river is known as Sorrow of Bihar. 180. Answer is C. Kosi. 181. Deccan Plateau covers an area of about. 181. Answer is D. 7 lakh. A landmass bounded by sea on three sides is refers to. Answer C. Peninsula. Okay. The Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar separates India from dash. 183. Answer C. Sri Lanka. Okay. The highest peak in South India is. 184. Answer C. Anai-Mudi. Dash plains are formed by the older alluviums. 185. Answer C. Bangar. The Pulicat Lake is located between the states of. 186. Answer D. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Meteorology is the science of. 187. A. Weather. We wear cotton during summer. Answer is A. 189. Western disturbances causes rainfall in. 189. Answer C. Punjab. 190. Dash helps in quick ripening of mangoes along the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. 190. Answer C. Mango showers. 191. Dash is a line joining the place of equal rainfall. Answer C. Isotherm. Climate of India is labeled as. Answer C. Tropical monsoon climate. The monsoon forest are otherwise called as. Answer is B. Deciduous forest. Okay. Dash forests are found above 2,400 meter Himalayas. 194. Answer is B. Alpine forest. Okay. 195. Seshachalam Hills, a biosphere reserve, is situated in. 195. Answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Dash is not a part of World's Network Biosphere Reserves of UNESCO. 196. Answer is D. Kutch. 197. The soil which is rich in iron oxide is. 197. Answer C. Red soil. 198. Which of the following organizations has divided the Indian soils into 8 major groups? Answer is A. Indian Council of Agricultural Research. 199. The soils formed by the rivers are. Answer is D. Alluvial soils. 200. Dash Dam is the highest gravity in India. Answer is B. Bakra Nangal Dam. Dash is a cash crop. 201. Answer is A. Cotton. Black soils are also called as. 202. Answer is C. Regur soils. The longest dam in the world is. Answer is C. Hirakud Dam. 204. The leading producer of rice in India is. Answer is D. West Bengal. 205. Which crop is called as the golden fiber in India? Answer is C. Jute. The state which leads in the production of coffee is. 206. Answer is B. Karnataka. Manganese is used in. 207. Answer is B. Steel making. 208. The anthracite coal as. 208. Answer is A. 80 to 90% carbon. 209. The most important constituents of petroleum or hydrogen and. 209. Answer C. Carbon. 210. The city which is called as the Manchester of South India is. Very simple. Answer is D. Coimbatore. 211. The first jute mill of India was established at. 211. Answer is A. Kolkata. 212. The first nuclear power station was commissioned in. 212. Answer is C. Maharashtra. 213. The abundant source of the energy is. 213. Answer is B. Sun. 214. The famous Sindri fertilizer plant is located in 214. Answer is A. Jharkhand. 215. The nucleus for the development of the Chota Nagpur Plateau region is 215. Answer is B. Mineral deposits. 216. One of the shore-based steel plants of India is located at. Answer is D. Visakhapatnam. Okay. 217. The scientific study of different aspects of population is called B. Demography. 218. The state with highest literacy rate as per 2011 census is. Answer C. Kerala. 219. Human development is measured in terms of. Answer C. Human Development Index. Dash transport provides door-to-door services. 220. B. Roadways. 221. The length of the Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways in India is. 221. Answer is A. 5846 km. 222. The length of navigable inland waterways in India is. Answer C. 14,500 km. 223. The National Remote Sensing Center NRSC is located at. Answer is D. Hyderabad. 224. The transport useful in the inaccessible areas is. 224. Answer C. A. Airways. 225. Which of the following is associated with helicopter service? Okay. Answer is 225. Answer is D. Pavan Hans. The major import item of India is. 226. Answer is D. Petroleum. The latitudinal extent of Tamil Nadu is A. 8 degree 4 north to 13 degree 35 north. 228. The longitudinal extent of Tamil Nadu is. 228. Answer is A. 76 degree 18 east to 80 degree 20 east. The highest peak in Tamil Nadu is. Answer is B. Dotabetta. Okay. Which one of the following passes is not located in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu? 230. Answer is C. Borghat. Which one of the following rivers is flow into the Arabian Sea? 231. Answer is A. Periyar River. 232. The district with largest mangrove forest cover in Tamil Nadu is. 232. Answer is C. Kadalur. Okay. 233. The forest cover of Tamil Nadu as per 2017 Indian Forest Report is. Answer is A. 20.21%. 234. Retreating monsoon wind picks up moisture from. 234. Answer is B. Bay of Bengal. 235. Which of the following district is affected by sand dunes to a large extent? 235. Answer is D. Ramanathapuram. 236. The district which has the largest forest cover in Tamil Nadu is. Answer is A. Dharmaburi. The plateau which lies between the Nilgiris and Dharmaburi district is Coimbatore. Okay. 238. Dash is the highest peak in the southernmost part of the Eastern Ghats. 238. Answer is A. Solekarad. 40. Dash soil is suitable for the cultivation of the tea and coffee plants. 240. Answer is C. Laterite. Okay. 241. Dash is the Tamil Nadu state animal which found in. 241. Answer is A. Nilgiri Thar in Nilgiri Hills. 242. The delta which is known as the granary of South India is. 242. Answer is A. Kaveri Delta. The second staple of food of the people of Tamil Nadu is. 243. Answer is B. Millets. Okay. 244. Literacy rate of Tamil Nadu as per 2011 census is. 244. Answer is D. 80.33%. 245. A major hydroelectric power project of Tamil Nadu is. 245. Answer is A. Mettur. 246. The number of major and minor ports in Tamil Nadu are. Answer C. 3 and 16. Agriculture of Tamil Nadu constitutes dash of its economy. Answer C, 21% of its economy. 248. Chatanur Dam is constructed across the river D. Tenpennai. 249. Tamil Nadu ranks dash in India with a share of 20% in total road projects under operation in the public-private partnership PPP. 249. Answer is A, second in India. 250. Dash is the third largest airport in India after Mumbai and Delhi. 250. Answers B, Chennai. 251. The difference between the value of exports and imports is called as 251. Answers A, balance of trade. 252. Which one of the following is renewable resource? Answers D, solar energy. 253. Where is the largest solar power project situated in India? Answers A, Kamudi. 254. Which one of the first metals known and used by man? 254. Answers B, copper. Dash is one of the indispensable minerals used in electrical and electronic industries. Answers B, mica. Okay. 256. Electricity produced from coal is called thermal power. 257. Dash is the largest producer of hydroelectricity. Answer is B, China. 258. Iron was found in dash in Tamil Nadu. Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. 259. Dash is produced from bauxite ore. Aluminium. Answer is A. Dash is used in making electrical batteries. Answer is C, manganese. 261. Petroleum and its derivatives are called. Answer is A, black gold. 262. The oldest type of tourism is. Answer is A, religious. 263. In which state is the Kaziranga National Park located? Answer C, Assam. Okay. 264. Which one of the following is not a beach of India? Answer is D, Miami. 265. Which one of the following is not a bat sanctuary in India? Answer is D, Kanha in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. 266. In which district Kuttalam Waterfalls is located? Answer is B, Tirunelveli. 267. The three main components of tourism together known as A3. Gastronomy refers to an aspect of dash tourism. 268. Answer is D, cultural tourism. 269. Suruli Falls is also called as 269 A, Cloudland Falls or Megamalai Falls. 270. The largest urban beach is. The second largest urban beach is. Answer C, Marina Beach. 271. Expansion of TAAI. Answers D, Travel Agents Associations of India. 272. People move from dash and dash to mainly to search for better jobs. Answer A, rural to urban. 273. A person moves from his own country to another country is known as. 273. Answer C, emigrant. 274. The migration in search of fertile agricultural land is dash migration. 274. Answer A, rural to rural. War is one of the dash cause of human migration. Political cause of human migration. 276. The main reason for the development of urbanization in prehistoric period was A, excess production of food grains. Okay. Urbanization is determined by dash number factors. 3 number of factors. 278. Dash is the major push factor operating in rural areas. 278 A, poverty. 279. Dash metropolitan city in India has the second highest urban population in the world. Answer C, Delhi. 280. The movement of a person based on his free will and desire to live in a better place is called dash migration. 280. Answer is B, voluntary migration. 281. In modern time, urban growth was accelerated by the development of. 281. Answer is B, industrial revolution. 282. Dash percentage of nitrogen is present in the air. Answer is A, 78.09%. 283. Tsunami in Indian Ocean took place in the year. Answer is B, 2004. 284. The word tsunami is derived from dash language. 284. Answer is C. Japanese. 285. The example of surface water is? Answer is C. Subsurface water. Answer is D. Lake water. 286. Event that occurs due to the failure of monsoons. Answer is B. Drought. 287. Hazards may lead to. Answer is C. Disasters. 288. A landslide is an example for dash hazard. Answer is D. Natural hazard. 289. On the basis of origin, hazard can be grouped into dash categories. Answer is A. 8 categories. Okay. Terrorism is an example of dash hazard. Answer is B. Human induced hazard. 291. Oxides of nitrogen are dash pollutants which affects the human beings. Answer is B. Primary pollutants. 292. Chernobyl nuclear accident took place in which year? 292. Answer is A. 26th April 1986. Okay. So friends, total பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 292 questions இருந்தது friends இந்த ஜியோகிராஃபியில். ஸோ இதை வந்து பார்ட் 1 பார்ட் 2 அப்படின்னு பிரிக்காமல் மொத்தமாக ஒரே வீடியோவாக கொடுத்துடலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நினச்சேன். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு படிக்கும்போது வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரே வீடியோ வந்தால் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினச்சேன். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியத்தில் சிவிக்ஸ் 6 to 10 ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வரைக்கும் உள்ள சிவிக்ஸ் வந்து இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து வரும். ஓகேங்களா? இந்த வீடியோ வந்து உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோக்கு ஒரு லைக் கொடுங்க. என்னோடய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்போ தான் அடுத்தடுத்து போடுற வீடியோஸ்லாம் உங்களுக்கு மிஸ் ஆகாமல் ரீச் ஆகும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.